nagre-responde. But
After 4 days of search and rescue operation, Secretary Mar Rojas announced at around 9:30 this morning that the body of the Secretary Jessie Robredo had been found. Volunteer divers supposedly found the fuselage with the bodies inside at around 7:15 this morning. This was Secretary Rojas' statement earlier.
May malungkot tayong balita. At 7:25 this morning, yung mga volunteer divers natin nakita yung fuselage. May mga katawan sa loob pero hindi pa nila talaga ma-identify. Nung nakalapit sila at about 7:45 AM, may mga indications na isa doon sa mga katawan sa loob ng fuselage ay sakay Secretary Robredo. At that was at 7:45. No? Itong mga pangyayaring ito ay ginanap roughly 800 meters from shore, somewhere here, no? At a depth of roughly 180 feet. Yung unang sumabak na mga tech divers, yung mga puti na nakita natin kahapon, yung si Matt at saka yung kanyang team ng dalawang babae, no? At 8:15 kumpirmado na yung isa sa mga katawan ay yung sakay Secretary Jessie Robredo. In-inform natin ng Pangulo at natawagan ng Pangulo ang kanyang misis. At roughly 8:30 or 8:40 yung bangkay ni Sec Jess ay naiabot na sa surface at ito ay nilagay sa body bag at kinarga na sa barko ng Coast Guard. Ongoing pa rin ang operation for the other bodies in the fuselage. As of now, yan lang muna ang ating notice. Nakausap na ng Pangulo ang misis ni Jess at in-inform na niya ang about the developments. Yung kapatid ni Jess na si Kuya Butch, nasabihan na rin at dinadala siya kung saan ngayon yung katawan, no? So far that's it for now. We'll give you updates as they develop. Anyway, yung technical is it's about 800 kilometers from shore at 800 meters from shore at a depth of about 180 feet, and the body arrived in the surface at about 8:15 this morning. Ongoing pa, no, para sa pamilya nung captain na Baiting at saka sa Nepalese na co-pilot, ongoing pa ang operation. Yung mga scuba tanks at iba pang mga pangangailangan ay pinapadala sa underground, sa underwater para mapatuloy yung retrieval operation of the other bodies inside the cockpit. The fuselage nakabaliktad, kaya medyo komplikado ang pag-retrieve dahil hindi nila masyadong ma-disturb yung fuselage at baka lalong mapunta sa mas malalim na lugar. So maraming salamat, and we will give you updates as they come.